Now I'm going to present about the marketing implementation. Before start the planning, we need to identify the problem or the reason why we want to organize a promotion. Based on the market research, BSN has found that many people are still lack of knowledge about the ASP financing, and some of them don't even know its existence. At the same time, BSN has also found that many people have not yet purchased the insurance policy. Therefore, BSN decided to promote ASP financing and Takaful insurance at WeMall on 17 October. And in this promotion, UUM students and staff will be our target customers. Next, this is the timeline that already include all the activity involved in marketing plan. All the implementation activity will take approximately 1.5 months to complete. First, on 7 September, and market research team will conduct a market survey in order to identify the customer needs and requirements. Next, on 12 September, analysis team will randomize the promoted product based on the survey result. And next, on 13 September, marketing team will choose the promotion venue. And on 15 September, one of the marketing team members will go to the HEA to apply for a permit. And on 20 September, marketing team have already get the permission, and then they is responsible to start the environmental analysis. On 27 September, analysis team will continue with the SWOT analysis. They will identify the strengths, weakness, opportunity or tricks of BSN. And on 4th October, marketing team will establish the marketing objective. And on 5th October, marketing team will then develop the marketing strategy based on the established objective. On 13 October, marketing team will conduct a pilot study in order to test the established strategy. And on 17 October, marketing team will open booth at City Mall, and some of the members will distribute the brochure and flyer to the customer. And last, on 18 October, evaluation team is responsible to evaluate the performance of promotion and then take the corrective actions if necessary.